Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is NCT Doyoung's fortune analysis. I analyzed the fortune of NCT Doyoung. It was an incredible fortune. What kind of fortune would it be? I analyzed it at the request of a YouTube subscriber, and it was a very good fortune for the future. Let's analyze it together. Doyoung is a big mountain. Like a mountain, there is a generosity that embraces many people while always there. Wherever he goes, it becomes a center and listens to people well. Doyoung's fortune is simple and powerful. There are as many as 4 letters like himself. It's a lot of energy. If you have so many letters like yourself, it's much better to work with a lot of people. This means that group activity is good. And when you have letters like himself, you have very high physical activity intelligence. In other words, it means that they have strength in models, athletes, and so on. He has great self-esteem and drive. The energy next to it is controlling the powerful Doyoung. It's a great structure. Controlling energy means discipline and rules, but it also affects his appearance. It also makes pretty faces like he does. I analyzed Doyoung's fortune with innermost energy, and rather than choosing a career course, Doyoung is very strong in energy. So I will only see him as a person who makes full use of physical activity intelligence by utilizing his specialty. Doyoung is still in the spotlight, but more attention-getting energy is waiting for him. After 29 years of age, he will get more attention. And good luck waits when he makes a lot of money and honor for 20 years from 39 to 59 years old. There is a big fortune that changes every 10 years, and the Doyoung's fortune is simple and big is very simple and sure. Until his mid-30s, he would be lucky to be on stage, but after that, he will probably be a manager and be active until 59. As it is a better luck to be with people, it is expected that they will collaborate with the current members to engage in various activities in the entertainment industry. And it's good to retire at the age of 59, but he should never make excessive investments after the age of 59. There may be financial problems, so don't make excessive investments, and I hope him keep his wealth well. Today, I analyzed Doyoung's fortune and luck with his pretty face and incredible power. And I feel even better because he is the one who has a great life. Be healthier and happier. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.